For a lot of homes and business owners, it starts with the same frustration. Pet stains that keep coming back, odors that really don't go away, allergies that don't improve, employees that keep getting sick, surface and spaces that just don't feel clean, no matter how many times they're treated. And after a while, people aren't just frustrated with the problem. They're tired of guessing who they can trust. I'm Mark Gellner, I'm the owner of Stanley Steemer of Nashville.
A lot of people think cleaning is just about how things look. But what you can't see, allergens, bacteria, trapped odors, that's usually where the real issue lives. When those things aren't explained clearly, homeowners end up using quick fixes, and a few weeks later, the same problem shows up all over again.
At Stanley Steemer, everything starts with understanding the problem, not rushing to a solution. Before we clean anything, we take the time to inspect the space, explain what we're seeing, and walk the homeowner through what's actually going on beneath the surface. That way, we're not just guessing, and neither are they. If it's not something that I would do in my own home or a place of business, I won't recommend it, because real results come from fixing the problem the right way.
This company has always been about care. Care for the people we serve and care for the spaces we're invited into. Our technicians do not rush jobs. They explain what they're doing before they start. They respect furniture, pets, and routines, and they treat every home or business like it's personal, because it is. That level of care isn't optional here. It's the standard we hold ourselves to every day.
This is the moment when a home and a business really feels different. Not just cleaner floors or fresher air, but the confidence that comes from knowing the problem was actually addressed. Not just covering it up, no guessing, no surprises, just clear answers and work done the right way.
If you're looking for honest answers and a team that truly cares for your home, we're here to help.